Welcome to Code Report. I'm your host, Connor Hoekstra. Last week, we had 6 contests, 2 of them from Code Forces, Global Round 1 on Thursday and Round 538 on Sunday. We also had from Top Coder SRM 750 and from Hacker Earth Hour Storm number 8, as well as from LeetCode, the weekly LeetCode contest number 123. And throughout the week, we also had from Code Chef the February Long Challenge, which is about to end in, I believe, 2 or 3 hours by the time this is uploaded. And I'll be doing a video dump of probably 3 to 4 videos right when the contest ends, and then 1 or 2 more in the couple days that follow. So make sure to comment down in the description down below which problems you'd like to see me cover, and I will try to get to them. Taking a look at the top 10 leaderboards, here they are for the Top Coder, Hacker Earth, and LeetCode contests. There were only 2 individuals to place on multiple top 10 leaderboards, and those 2 individuals were Tourist and Yui. Tourist took the number 1 spot in both the Top Coder Div 1 and the Hacker Earth contest, and Yui placed 4th in the Hacker Earth contest and 1st in the LeetCode contest. We also had a number of other familiar names. In 2nd place in the Div 1 Top Coder was RNG58. Former TCO winner. We had in 5th NUIP, and in 10th we had KMJP. Also in the Hacker Earth contest, we had in 3rd place Igor, in 5th Bodan Prashenko, and in the LeetCode contest we had in 6th place Natsugiri, in 7th Yubo Wanak, and in 9th Cui Aoxiang. Taking a look at the Code Forces contests, here they are. There weren't any multiple top 10 leaderboards because this was a Division 1 versus Division 2 contest, but once again, some very familiar names on the Division 1 Global Round 1. Tourist in 1st again, so that's 3 number 1 finishes for Tourist this week. In 2nd was Umnik, in 3rd was TLE, 4th MNBV Mar, 5th Sunset, 6th WXHTXDY, 7th KSun48, and in 10th we had Fate Ice. Taking a look at the overall top 10 leaderboards for the Code Forces site, there was a few changes due to the Global Round 1 contest. Obviously, Tourist, with his 1st place finish in the Global Round 1 contest, still is maintaining his number 1 spot here, but Umnik jumped up 1 spot and switched places with Vuv, so Umnik in number 2, Vuv at number 3, Piotr is still in 4th, WXHTXDY jumped up 2 spots from 7th to 5th, MNBV Mar jumped back into the top 10 and now is holding the number 6 spot. LHIC dropped 1 position from 6th to 7th. TLE, for the first time, this is I'm seeing this name in the top 10, so has jumped into the top 10 at spot number 8. And VN and V and Dodoria still have their spots at number 9 and number 10. And as I mentioned, I'll be covering 3 to 4 problems right when the contest ends, and then 1 to 2, depending on how many I post, right when the contest ends in the next couple days. So in this video, I won't be covering any video solutions, but look out in a couple hours, or depending when you're watching this, they might be already up for those solution videos. And a quick note before we look at the contests taking place next week, a company by the name of Sound Rocket reached out to me. They are based in Michigan and are working with the International Labor Organization to conduct a survey that involves getting feedback from competitive programmers. So it's a very short survey. I did it myself. It only takes 2 to 3 minutes, and the questions are pretty easy. There's nothing too complicated that they're asking. So if you have a couple minutes, I would definitely recommend going and helping this company out with their survey, because they're just trying to collect info at the moment. You can find the link in the description down below. And like I said, it only takes a couple minutes. So if you have the time, check it out and help these guys out. Taking a look at the contests happening next week, there are only 4 of them. On Friday, we have from Hacker Earth the February Circuits contest. On Saturday, we have from Code Forces round 539 in the morning, and then in the evening, of course, the weekly LeetCode contest number 124 from LeetCode, and finishing off the week from Code Chef on Sunday, we have the Cook-Off contest. As always, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit that like button. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You can follow me on Twitter for reminders 30 minutes before contests start, and you can find all of the code shown in my videos on my GitHub page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.